Hey guys. Hey, it's Deborah Atkinson, founder of Flipping 50. You caught me in the middle of restocking my pool kit. You know, construction workers have the toolkit. Well, this is my pool kit, and I'm a summer girl. If you can't tell, I love my sunshine a little bit, maybe too much, but I think the pool, vitamin D, are all great for us. However, the chlorine and hot sun, especially here in Arizona, not so good for us. This is how I restock my pool kit. This is from Annmarie Skincare. So you've heard me talk about Annmarie before. So we've got toning mist in here, but what I really wanted was this cleanser and facial serum as well as an oil. And let me just tell you that my friends, just like me, are thinking, you know, the idea of putting oil on my skin makes me crazy. Well, of course it does, because didn't we all grow up thinking my skin is oily? How can we put on a little benzoyl peroxide and dry the whole thing out, which is what happens now, right? But I don't know about you. I have a double dipping gift. So got all the little lines and occasionally still have breakouts. Fantastic, right? Not so much. But you need oil on your skin to balance your skin back out. And it took me a minute to trust the process. So I use all of these inside my bag for the shower at the gym. And yeah, they're actually awesome. But premier products that I have in my shower, I also need to restock. So you don't want to go through, you know, a discount store and all the bins for dollar items and just pull samples out, because most of them have toxins in it. So you've already been in maybe the toxic pool with chlorine, you've been exposed to the sun, the heat, maybe wind in addition to that. So your skin has already taken a beating. You add toxic chemicals to that. That's not only on the external part of your body, but that's actually what your body is absorbing. So here's what I've got in this kit. So it's toning mist was just a little bonus, but it's the aloe herb cleanser. So aloe, you know, to be comforting and soothing, and that's what this is. So right away I go back in, I'm rinsing off, first of all, getting the chlorine off my skin, out of my hair, and putting this back on, so stabilizing it. Then you're gonna use a little serum first. So it's always, you're gonna put on underneath like a medication, or you're gonna put on something like a serum for treatment, and then you're gonna use the, in my case, the anti-aging oil. So if you're a little bit younger and you happen to be watching this, or you have a daughter that, you know, isn't, you know, needing anti-aging, you can also find the appropriate mix just for you. But here's why I love it. So harsh circumstances require something gentle to put it back in balance. So you're not looking for harsh things, chemicals. Even if you have a breakout, you're gonna put things back in that rebalance you. Think of it the way I advise you to exercise. When you want to lose fat, but you're already chronically stressed, the best way to exercise is actually focus on reducing your cortisol. Meaning the best fat burning exercise, sometimes for a woman in menopause, midlife, or beyond, is yoga or going for a walk. It's something gentle, because we've got to first remove the obstacle to burning fat before more traditional fat burning exercises are going to work. For more on that, stay tuned. But for your own kit, I'm going to put the link down below. What are you waiting for? Let's get your pool kit up to speed.